Today, President Obama announced his nomination of Solicitor General Elena Kagan to succeed Justice Stevens on the Supreme Court. The president chose from an impressive list of superbly qualified candidates. He wanted to select an outstanding future justice who was well within the mainstream of legal and constitutional thought, and her recent Senate confirmation to be Solicitor General of the United States would appear to support that. In fact, with this nomination, she will follow in the footsteps of her mentor, Thurgood Marshall, who also was nominated to the Supreme Court from the position as Solicitor General. Her nomination will bring to the Supreme Court a diversity of experience that's been missing since Justice O'Connor retired in 2006. In our history, it's only in recent decades that the justices were all from the federal courts. We had some of our most dynamic courts have been those where they came from different backgrounds. I worry when you're in a judicial monastery that you don't have the kind of real-world experience you might have otherwise. And she brings a breadth of experience. Of course, it's a little ironic if any were to complain that she hasn't been a judge. She was nominated to be a member of the D.C. Circuit Court, it's called the second highest court in the land, and the Republicans pocket filibustered her, as they did some 60 of President Clinton's nominees. So you can't on the one hand say, man, did we do a great job, we blocked her nomination, and on the other hand say, oh, she should have been a judge before we consider her. Let's deal with what we have right now. We have a superb nominee. We have somebody who should be seen by the American people as the best this country can offer. It would be hard to find people in this country who would stand out as a greater legal scholar than she does. You know, we have some Republicans who would automatically oppose anybody who was nominated. The president could nominate Moses the lawgiver. In fact, I told the president, I said, you realize if you had nominated Moses, the lawgiver, somebody had raised, but he doesn't have a birth certificate. Where is his birth certificate? You know, I mean, come on. We're talking about a Supreme Court justice. Let's look at the qualifications. Vote up, vote down. She will be confirmed.